Deepfake technology is advancing rapidly, creating serious challenges for biometric face verification. By 2026, 30% of enterprises will no longer trust face biometrics alone due to AI-generated deepfakes, according to Gartner. Biometric solution providers must act now to prevent financial losses, compliance issues, and eroded trust. Advanced deepfake detection solutions are essential. They must be scalable, accurate, and seamlessly integrate with existing cybersecurity frameworks. Key benefits include proactive defense, detect and neutralize threats before they escalate, enhanced trust, demonstrate resilience against AI-driven attacks, streamlined security, automate detection, and reduce operational burden. Regulatory compliance, align with emerging AI security standards. The future of biometric security depends on combating deepfakes,